Hello. So today I had a package arrive from Amazon. It actually went to my parents' house, which I thought was kind of strange. So I went up and collected it today, and sure enough, it's from Amazon. And it was addressed to me, well, my name, and it had my parents' address. So yeah, I opened it up. And inside, bearing in mind I haven't ordered anything from Amazon since December, I've got these paper plates. Pretty cool design, but I didn't order them. Anyway, I phoned up Amazon and I didn't phone them up. I went on the online chat thing, and apparently it was a mistake on their behalf. But they said I could keep them, so that's pretty cool. I just said that they could have sent me something more expensive, but never mind. Cool freebie. Cheers, guys.